Hi kids and parents, how are you? We are so happy to welcome you to Zion Club. In this video, I'll show you how to become our next storyteller. Imagine this. You doing the intro for one of our Bible stories. Your voice will share the message of Jesus with many families and kids. And there's more. We'll show your name and a cool 3D avatar right at the start. Check out this awesome example from another kid.
Hi, my name is Augusta, and I'm from the Zion Club. Well, explorers, are you ready to embark on another super adventure? Then hold on tight, because today's story is called The Creation of the World.
First, pause the video right now and grab an adult to help you. Parents, go to myzion.club/s/kids or scan the QR code on the screen. This link opens a consent form to let us use your child's voice and avatar. Please fill everything out very carefully, okay? If your child is reading in another language, make sure they speak it really well. Oh, and don't forget to send a clear, happy photo of their face to make the avatar. Double-check your details one last time, and then hit send. After sending, keep an eye on your email inbox. All our instructions and next steps will be sent right there. Very soon, you'll receive our first message. It has a confirmation link. Just click it to verify your email. If you don't see it, take a peek in your spam or junk folder. Once confirmed, our team will quickly review the info you sent. If everything looks good, we'll email you a participation contract to sign online. It's super easy, just click the secure link from our system. Read everything carefully and follow the steps on the screen to sign digitally. The sooner you sign, the sooner your child can join the fun. After you sign, we will email you the special text for them to read. Keep an eye on the recording deadline, don't leave it for the last minute. Kids, now it's your time to really shine. Are you ready? Grab a phone and find a super quiet, peaceful spot at home. Before recording, read the text a few times to practice a lot. Practice the first little part with lots of energy until it's almost memorized. You don't have to memorize it all. You can record in very short pieces. Open the voice recorder app and speak very closely to the microphone. Hit record and speak the part you practiced with a big, happy voice. Repeat this until you have recorded every part in order. When you're all done, listen to the recordings together up loud. Make sure the reading is perfect and there are no background noises. All perfect? Use the link in our email to submit your audio files. And you're done. We'll get everything ready and soon you'll be in one of our videos. But please be a little patient, okay? Our team will be working behind the scenes, carefully choosing your story. Soon, we'll send you a script to read. Have any questions? Go to myzion.club/s/help and chat with us. Thank you so much. May God bless you and your amazing family. And always remember, Maranatha, the Lord is coming soon.